Tonight's meal is prawns with green and red pepper and a load of cauliflower and fried onions. So looking forward to a nice meal tonight. Meals are something very special on the boat because you often don't have a lot else to look forward to as to what can I eat tonight that's different? What can I make? So cooking a meal is pretty important. Anyway, so I'm just looking forward now to sitting down with my meal. Total overcast here on the way towards Cape Mendocino and San Francisco eventually. And I think we've managed to get off the wind a little bit so that we're not crashing into the waves as much. Still moving around quite a lot, but making good speed. So I'm looking forward to getting in, to be honest. Too many things that have needed attention that shouldn't have happened. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks for coming. Bye.